Hi there, and congratulations on your Fluss purchase. In this video, we look at how to manage multiple Fluss devices on one cell phone. If you have more than one device installed on your access points on your property, the Fluss app will show multiple devices when you are within Bluetooth range. When you open the Fluss app and you are not within the Bluetooth range of any of your Fluss devices, it will display the Searching for Nearby Flusses screen. As soon as you move into the Fluss Bluetooth range, the icon on your Fluss app will appear in blue. This icon will disappear again when you are out of the Bluetooth range. The Bluetooth range for a Fluss device is up to 40 meters within your line of sight. If you have multiple Fluss devices installed, they will appear as several blue icons on your home screen. Here you can see Fluss 1, Fluss 2, and Fluss 3, meaning we are within range of 3 Fluss devices. We suggest you use meaningful names, so yours may be front gate, garage left, and garage right. As previously mentioned, when you are within range and the Fluss icon is blue, you will be able to trigger the relevant device. When you move out of the Bluetooth range, the blue buttons will disappear and you will no longer be able to open any of your access points.